scientists have discovered a revolutionary new material that can repair damaged DNA and potentially reverse aging. This phenomenon occurs when nanotechnology meets the building blocks of life. Imagine a world where injuries can be healed instantly and diseases are a thing of the past. For centuries, scientists have been searching for a way to repair damaged DNA, and now they may have found it. Researchers at Harvard University have created a new material that can repair DNA damage and potentially reverse aging. This breakthrough has the potential to revolutionize the field of medicine and change the way we approach healthcare. Imagine a world where we can repair damaged tissues and organs with ease, rather than relying on surgery and medication. But that's not the only benefit of this new material. It also has the potential to reverse the effects of aging. As we age, our bodies undergo a series of changes that can lead to diseases and disabilities. But this new material could potentially reverse those changes. The scientists behind this breakthrough are excited about the potential implications and are already working on ways to apply it to human health. But how does it work? The material is made up of tiny particles that can be programmed to repair DNA damage and stimulate cellular regeneration. Imagine a grain of sand containing an entire library of genetic information. That's essentially what these particles do. They can be programmed to target specific areas of the body and repair damage to the DNA, which can help to reverse the effects of aging. But that's not the strangest part. These particles can also be used to deliver medication directly to the site of injury or disease. This has the potential to revolutionize the way we approach pain management and could potentially replace traditional medication. But wait, until you hear what comes next, the scientists behind this breakthrough are already working on ways to use these particles to enhance cognitive function and improve memory. Imagine being able to remember everything with perfect clarity and focus. That's the potential of this new material. And then something unexpected happened. The scientists discovered that these particles could also be used to enhance athletic performance. Imagine being able to run faster, jump higher, and lift heavier weights than ever before. That's the potential of this new material. But how does it work? The particles can be programmed to stimulate muscle growth and enhance endurance, which can help athletes to perform at their best. This has the potential to revolutionize the world of sports and could potentially give athletes an unfair advantage. But that's not the only benefit of this new material. It also has the potential to improve our quality of life. Imagine being able to work longer hours without getting tired, or to enjoy activities without feeling exhausted. That's the potential of this new material. The scientists behind this breakthrough are excited about the potential implications and are already working on ways to apply it to everyday life. But what does this mean for us? It means that we could potentially live longer, healthier lives and enjoy better quality of life. It means that we could potentially cure diseases and reverse the effects of aging. It means that we could potentially enhance our cognitive function and improve our memory. It means that we could potentially become stronger, faster, and more agile than ever before.
And that's not all. This new material also has the potential to improve our environment.
Imagine a world where we can clean up pollution and restore damaged ecosystems with ease. That's the potential of this new material, and it's an exciting time to be alive. The future is looking bright, and it's all thanks to the scientists who have worked tirelessly to bring us this breakthrough. Subscribe for more incredible stories like this, and join our journey of discovery. Like and comment below to let us know what you think about this breakthrough and how it could change the world. And don't forget to hit the like button to show your support for this content. Thanks for watching. We'll see you in the next video.